am so happy you're here for Crafts and Fun with Miss Monica. Today we're making something really, really exciting. Oh, I can't wait. Are you ready to find out what we're making today?
Yay!
Okay, well, let's get started. Oh, and my friends, look at this. We're at our craft table right here. That's right, we have a new craft table I'm so excited about. So we're going to do all of our arts and crafts projects right here on this table. Okay, now let's find out what we're creating today. If you help me count to 3, I think that special project will appear. Okay, let's count to 3 together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at this! We are creating puppets today. These are shape puppets. We're going to create a paper bag puppet and a stick puppet. Let me show you how the paper bag puppet works. So this paper bag opens at the bottom here. This is the bottom now, and it opens up here. And I have to put my hand inside. So I open it up, put my hand inside, and when I get all the way to the top, I'm going to put my hand right in here so I can make my puppet talk. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crafts and Fun. This is my shape puppet with my paper bag. I used a paper bag. And this is my stick puppet. And it's also a shape puppet, but it's a stick puppet. And you can make either. You can make a paper bag puppet today, or you can make a stick puppet today. It all depends on what materials you have at home, okay? And the stick puppet, you can use different kinds of materials. You can use craft sticks, popsicle sticks. You can even use straws or sticks from outside. Whatever you have, right? That's right. Okay, my friends, let's get started. Oh, are you ready too? Yes, I'm ready. Let's get started. I'll show you exactly what we need. So first I'm going to take my hand out of my puppet. And I'll put this one down to the side. And I'll put this one down to the side. And now I'm going to let everyone know what you'll need so you can make some puppets too. Are you ready?
Yay!
All right, let's count to 3 again so we can make all of the materials appear right here on our table. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at this. Everything we need. So the first thing you'll need, because we are going to need shapes, lots of different shapes. Any shapes you want, different sizes, different shapes. You'll need paper. You can use construction paper. You can use hard cardstock paper, whatever you have, okay? And you get to choose the colors as well. So you'll need that. So let's put our paper to the side. We'll need paper, and you'll need a paper bag, either a paper bag or sticks. It depends on which one you want to make. You can make both if you want. So a paper bag or sticks, or both if you're going to make both, okay? So we'll need that. And you're going to need some glue. I like to use glue sticks, okay? Glue. And we're going to need scissors in order to cut the different shapes. Now, I already have some shapes cut, but if you don't, you'll need some scissors, okay? You can get some child safety scissors so you can cut your shapes. And make sure you always get help when you're using scissors. Make sure someone's there with you. You'll also need some extra things to add to your shape puppets. You can add glitter if you want. You can add pom-poms. You can add anything extra that you have, or you can just leave it the way it is, okay? And one last thing, everyone, we'll need some markers or crayons for drawing. So we can draw the face and add, again, anything else you'd like to add to your puppet. Okay, so I'll use markers today. I'll keep those here until I need them. All right, it's time to get started. We're going to start with a paper bag puppet first. So if you're doing a paper bag puppet, let's take out those paper bags, everyone. Okay, I'm going to push this up here a little bit. Okay, because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Paper bag, put it right here, and I'm going to put my sticks, I'll put them here until I need them. Okay, move that to the side. So my friends, now that you have your paper bag, I want you to see. On one side of the paper bag, you see this little flap, which is really the bottom of the paper bag, because when you put things in it, this is the bottom, but we're going to turn the bottom around up to the top. Make sure it's at the top. We're turning it to the top, and now this is the top of our puppet, okay? Because this is the puppet's mouth right here. Yes, that's the top. So I want you to make sure you see this part here, find this part, the part that flaps open, and I want you to turn it around on the back side and put it down on the table. Okay? Yeah, I'll turn it towards you. So now you have the flap. It's right side up. That means you can play with it right here, just like this. Hello! Okay, and now you'll need some shapes. So just like I have my shape puppet here, I made the head an oval shape. I gave them a triangle body, and I used some rectangles for the legs and the arms as well. Okay, and then you see lots of skinny rectangles at the top for the hair. So you'll need to decide what shapes you're using. So I already have some shapes here. I have, let's see. Oh, I have a rectangle here. I think I'll be able to use this for the head. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it almost fits on this flap here. I think I may have to cut it a little bit smaller. So I'll take my scissor so I can cut it a little bit smaller. Again, if you need a little help with your scissors, you can always ask someone wherever you are, okay? Let's see if that helps. Oh, I think it's working. I want to cut a little bit more off. Cutting, 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 cutting. My friends, when you're cutting, remember, keep your thumb on the top. Okay, so I think my head, oh, the head is ready. Yes, yes, yes. And I think I'll use this rectangle for the body. Oh, wonderful. And now all I need is some arms and some legs. Let's see what else I have. I can move that to the side. I think I have some rectangles already cut. Some skinny ones, long ones, fat ones, all different sizes. Whoa. Let's look and see what I have. Look at all these different sizes I have. Wow. Okay, let's see what I'm going to use for the arms and what I'm going to use for the legs. Ooh. Oh, I think I may use these for the legs. And what else? Okay, that's it for now. I think I'll use, yes, I can use these for arms, and I may be able to use these two for legs. Look at that. Wonderful. Ooh, maybe this can be a hat. Oh, I'm not sure. Remember, you can use as many shapes as you like, so make sure you get some help with cutting your shapes, drawing your shapes out, then cutting them out, and you can get started. So these are going to be my legs, and I think I'll put them here. But I want to make them a little bit skinnier. I'm going to cut some of it off. So let's see how much. Oh, wonderful. That's perfect. Just like that. Cut a little bit of this one. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Oh, I want to cut a little more of this one. Just a little bit more. Dun, dun, dun. And now I have legs. Wow. Okay, next thing I need are the arms. Let's see. What color should I use for the arms? Oh, should I make the arms skinny, skinny, skinny arms? Or should I make them a little bit thicker? What do you think? Okay, you all have some good ideas. Well, the first thing I need to see is if I have two of these. Do I have two of the fatter one or do I have two of the skinnier one? Let's see what I have. I think, let's see what we have over here. Oh, they can be mix match. I have two of these. One is pink, one is red, but maybe I can use both. And they'll just be different colors. What do you think? Good idea? Wonderful. Now, you may have noticed on this one, I have these arms that go like this. I like to call these accordion arms. Accordion arms. I think I want to create the same thing for this little guy here. All right, so in order to make the accordion arms, I'm going to hold it up and show you. You can use your rectangle. You want to make sure it's something a little bit long. It needs to have some length, so it has to be a little long, okay, everyone at home and in school. And so you fold down a little side here, fold this side down, just like that. And then I turn it around and fold it on the other side. And then I turn it around again and fold this side down. And then I turn it around and fold it down on the other side. And I think I have my accordion arms. Look at that. Dun, dun, dun. And now I can glue those on once I'm ready. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I'm going to fold this piece down just a little bit. See that? Fold it down just a little bit. Turn it on this side and fold it on the other side. Turn it again and fold it down. And turn it again and fold it down. And turn it again. I think I can fold one more. Yes! I did it. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Now I have my arms. Oh boy. I'll choose the hair a little bit later just a little bit later. Now, my friends who are using sticks, if you're using sticks, if you're using straws, whatever you have at home, remember you use that. You can keep going. You can get started with creating your puppet as well. You don't have to wait for me. You can create your puppet as well. You're doing the same thing, except you're adding your shapes to your stick, just like this one. You're adding your shapes to the stick, just like this one, okay? So you can get started with that. See, I'll leave that one right there so you can see, all right? Right here. Now I'm ready to glue my pieces. So if you're ready to glue, we can glue together. All right, I think I'll use this glue stick today. I am ready to glue. So I'm going to start with the head. And I'm just going to put some glue at the top. I just put some glue at the top, some glue at the bottom, and some glue in the middle. And then I'm ready to stick it on. Tap, 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 tap. Hello. It's almost ready. Okay, and I'm going to glue the body next. Oh, I need to add a little bit more glue to the top. It's okay if you need to add more glue. You can put it right on the paper bag, or even on your stick, depending on what you're using, okay? This one needed a little more glue because this paper is very, very thick. This paper that I'm using for the head is very thick. Okay, now I'm ready for my blue rectangle here. This is going to be the body. So I think I'll put the glue right on my paper bag, see? So I'm going to cover this whole space so I can put a lot of glue. I can go side to side and put my glue side to side. And I'm going to put it down. It's a little easier when it's on the table. Side to side. I'm adding my glue, adding my glue. And I want to make sure I have a lot of glue just to hold this rectangle down. Time to put my rectangle on. Tap, tap, tap. Look at it so far. Look at what I have so far. I have the head. It's on. Hello. I have the body. And now I'm going to add the arms. Time to add my accordion arms. And this one too. Okay, so I'm going to use this side because this side bends down. And I'm going to put a little glue right here. A lot of glue, actually. Put a lot of glue right here. And then tap, tap, tap. Same thing on this one. A lot of glue at the top. And then tap, tap, tap. And if you need more glue, you can always add more, okay? You can always add more. Oh, it's time for the legs. I think I want the legs to go under. Should they go under or should they go on top? I think they'll go on top. Sometimes I like to put the legs on top of the rectangle here, on top of the other paper. So I'm just putting some glue, a lot of glue, a good amount on the top. And then I could go tap, tap, tap. And then a lot of glue here. Same thing. And then I can go tap, tap, tap. Ooh, look at this so far. I want to add a little bit more here. Wow. Look, my friends. Wow, it's coming along. It's coming along. If you're using sticks, how's it going? Good. If you're using the paper bag, how is it going? Wonderful. Very good. Remember, you can use any shapes that you'd like to use, okay? Any shapes. Now, before I add some hair, because I'm really not sure what I want the hair to look like, I think I'm going to draw the face. So this is when I choose my markers. I think I'll use green. I'm going to draw the face, okay? All right, time to draw the face. Time to draw the face. Now this face, what do we need? We have eyes, nose, and a mouth. That's right. So I'm going to do the same thing. Add some eyes. I think I just want to add little dots like this, okay? And another one, just like this. And maybe a little nose. Let's make those a little bit bigger. A nose. And I think we're going to add a mouth, and he's going to be smiling. This one is a boy. And this one I made is a girl. So this one is a boy. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I added the mouth, the nose, the eyes. And now I think I'm ready to add some hair. Or maybe a hat. Oh, good idea. Instead of the hair, maybe I'll add a hat. Let's see what I have over here. I have lots of different shapes cut up. And I love using all of the excess paper I have. If I ever have extra paper, I like to use it. Maybe a hat, maybe a triangle hat. Oh, that's a big hat. I like it. I think that's so fun. Okay, let's add a triangle hat. Look at that. A triangle hat to the top. Okay, so what I'll do is, let's see, do I want to add it on top or under? This is adding it to the back of my bag, or I can add it to the front. What do you think? To the back? How about on the back? I'll try it on the back. Let's see how it looks. That's the hat. So I'm just adding glue to the bottom of the triangle, okay? Just adding glue to the bottom, and then I'll add it to the back, just like this. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, I think we're done. Look at this. Whoa, oh my goodness, let's look at it. I'm going to close my glue first because I don't want the glue to dry out. Dun, dun, dun. I think my puppet is done. All right, my friends, guess what? It's time to test the puppet. Now, I do want it to dry a little bit, but I'm going to test it just for a little bit, just for a few seconds, and I'm going to put my hand inside. Now, remember with my other puppet, I had to put my hand all the way up here to the top where the mouth is, and then when my hand is inside, my hand looks like this, and then once I want to open and close, I go like this, close, open, close, open. That's what my hand is doing inside of the bag. Close, open, close, open. So I'm going to put my hand inside, open it from the bottom, all the way in, all the way in, all the way to the top of this bag where the mouth is. And my hand is going inside, and then it closes. When I get to the top, I have to close it like this. Close, close, close. Close, close, close. And then I can open and close. Just a little bit. Don't open all the way. You just go open, close, Okay, let me fix it to make sure. Open, close, just a tiny bit. Open, close. This is what my hand's doing inside. Just like that. Hello everyone. Do you like my hat? Oh yes, we love your hat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me see if I can do this one too. See if I can do it at the same time. Ooh, let's see if I can get my arm all the way in there. Okay, I'm almost there. I think I made it. Hello, rectangle. Hello, oval triangle. How are you today? I'm doing well. How are you today? Oh, wonderful. Oh, my friends, that is how we make paper bag puppets. And we can't forget our little friend, Mr. Stick Puppet. Hello, everyone. Don't forget me. You can use sticks to make puppets as well. That's right, we certainly can. And now look at this. I have 2 paper bag puppets. I have 1 stick puppet. Amazing. And we use shapes to create all of them. Oh, my friends, I hope you enjoy this craft today. Make sure you share your puppets with me, take pictures, and families and teachers. If you're on Instagram, please share with @CircleTimeWithMissMonica or @MonicaJSutton. Thank you, everyone, for coming to Crafts and Fun today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification button so you'll know when we're dropping more fun and crafts for all of you. See you soon. Bye.